Good morning. My name is Kathy. I'm from the Arc of Fresno, and today we are going to make Pop-Tart houses. First, you're going to need your Pop-Tarts, your icing, and your little candies to decorate. We're going to do like a Valentine's one today. So we get our Pop-Tarts. We have 2, 4, 6 Pop-Tarts total. Okay, so we're going to put these aside, these ones, and we are going to, cut the sides. Like this. And we're going to do 2 of them like this. So. And then we're going to get this one. We're going to measure from here to here. And we're going to cut here. Put this to the side. We're going to cut another one. Put that to the side. Okay, so now what we're going to do next is get the icing. Woo! Add it to the side. Very careful. There's one side. Two sides. Put some more on this end. Put it on this side. So we're making the frame of the house. Then we're going to go ahead and add frosting here. Here. Okay. Then we're going to come in, put this on the top. Put this one on the top. Put a little pressure. Okay, I think we got it done. Now that's putting it together. We could probably decorate it a little bit. Add a little pink frosting to the edges. To the other side. To the back side. Make it look pretty. And then I have these little hearts. We could put them on the top. Add a little frosting there, frosting there, frosting there. Put one here, one here. You can decorate it any way you'd like. You can use any kind of candy, but we're just making it simple. draw the little door. A little doorknob. And there we are, our little Pop-Tart house.